Meaning of hook shot.
Hook shot.
Hook shot.
Hook shot.
Hook shot. A hook shot is a basketball move where the player shoots the ball with an over-the-head, sweeping motion that resembles a hook. This technique involves jumping and then shooting at an angle towards the basket, using the dominant hand to release the ball. A successful hook shot often leaves the defenders helpless and is a highly effective scoring move. While difficult to master, it can be a valuable asset for any basketball player. In summary, the hook shot is a shooting technique in basketball that involves a sweeping motion and can be an effective scoring move.